CapSen Robotics works with local manufacturers. Most of them are small and medium size. So what issues do they face when they're looking to adopt robotics in their environment?
Well, one of the main challenges that small and mediums face is that they do a lot more smaller batch assemblies. They do lower volumes and higher mix. And they can't afford to spend $1 million on a single line that makes one object with lots of custom mechanical solutions. But instead, as Jorgen was saying, they're looking for things, they're looking for robots and automation solutions that are going to be a drop-in for a person that was doing multiple things before, right? So as an example, we're installing a robot this week in a factory in Keys Rocks that makes a lot of springs and wires and hooks. And so they asked us to give them a robot that picks hooks out of the bin, right? And the challenge is, hooks, they get entangled with each other, right? So you have to be able to disentangle them first. And then it's not just, taking it out of the bin. The worker that was there before was taking it out of the bin, grabbing it in the right way. They're using 2 hands to do that before. And then inserting it into a press that flattens one end before it goes into, 5 or 6 other steps in a complicated assembly process that are also completely manual. And, they looked into, hey, maybe they just do a mechanical solution where they put the machine that makes those hooks right next to the machine that does the pressing and the machines that do the rest of the assemblies. And it just wasn't practical for them because they needed to reuse that press to do a lot of other things, right? And so for them, they were looking for something that actually had never been done before, right? Picking hooks out of the bin, right? My 2-year-old, when my son was 2 years old, he's almost 5 now, but when he was 2 years old, he could have done that, right? But for robots, that's still right at the cutting edge of what's possible, which I think we're going to be talking about in a little bit. But really, the challenge is that they're looking for robots that have more advanced capabilities. And so as a company, CapSen Robotics, we've been around for about 5 years now, and we're developing software. We're not actually making the art like Jorgen's company is, but we're developing the software that allows them to pick objects and do more complicated manipulation tasks with them, like that.
Great, Jared, and you hit on a key point, not only